Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix keyboard not working after Windows update here in your laptop or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. So the very first step that you need to do is here at the start icon, please do a right click, scroll up and go with settings. Okay, so once you have successfully opened your settings, proceed to system, which is next to home, and then you need to scroll down and look for troubleshoot. Okay, so once you find it, click it to continue, and there you would be able to see three options. Go with the third one, which contains other troubleshooters. Here you need to look for keyboard. In my case, I don't have such, but if in your laptop you have an option, then simply click on run aligning to that keyboard and then run the troubleshooters. So mostly when you run the troubleshooters, it will fix the problem for you. Just have to finish the procedure, okay, and be patient, okay? So just have to wait until the process will be done, and then you need to restart your computer once it is being done and check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? Unless if it doesn't, then we need to move on to our second step, which is here the start icon again. Do a right click and go with device manager. Okay, so here at the device manager, you need to expand it first. Okay, you can double tap or you can simply click the square box there. So to expand, here you need to go with keyboards, click this forward arrow, and there you would be able to see your keyboard driver. Just have to do a right click, okay, and go with update driver. And it will opt you to choose two options, which are search for automatically and search for manually. Proceed to the first one first, and if your machine says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then go with this to search for updated drivers in Windows Update. So it will redirect you to the Windows Update of the keyboard driver. Okay, just have to wait until it is being downloaded and installed, and then you need to restart your computers. It will take some time depending on the network connection that you are connecting to. So make sure that you are connected to a fast and strong internet to a fast process. Okay, to have a fast process. Okay, just have to wait until you are done, and once you are done, just have to restart your computer and check if your keyboard is now properly working. And let's if it doesn't, then you need to go back here at the device manager. Okay, so simply do a right click here at the start icon and then go with device manager. So once you have opened it, expand it first and then go back to the keyboards and then click this forward arrow and then go with your keyboard driver. Do a right click and go with update driver. Now this time you need to choose on browse my computer for drivers manually. Here you need to, to proceed the second, which is let me pick from a list of available drivers in my computer. So simply click on it. And if you have another keyboard driver here, in my case, I only have the one. But in your case, if you have the two to three or a lot, then just have to try on one by one. Click on next and it will install and then check if your keyboard is will work in this specific keyboard driver, then proceed to the second, then click on next, and then third, then click on next, and so on. And then just observe what will work for you. Okay? So you need to restart your computer in order to check if your solution has been worked out. And let's if it doesn't, then we will be navigating the same process, which is here at the start icon. Do a right click, scroll up, and go with Device Manager. Now, here at the Device Manager, you need to expand it first, then you go with Keyboards once again. Click this forward arrow and proceed to your keyboard driver. Now, here's the catch you need to uninstall the keyboard driver. Just have to uninstall it. And I want to assure you that the moment you have uninstalled it, it will uninstall for the meantime. I mean, it will be uninstalled for the meantime. And the moment you have restarted or you relaunched your Windows again, it will be automatically installed again in your Windows. So no worries for that. Basically, this is harmless. Just have to click on it and then you need to restart your computer to make any changes. Okay. And the moment you have do that, you need to check if your problem has been fixed once you have reopened your computer again. Okay? So check if your problem has been fixed, okay? And let's see if it doesn't, then we need to move on to our next step. So our next step is here at the bottom search bar, or you can go with the start icon. Since your keyboard is not working, then go with settings. Okay. So here the settings, directly proceed to accessibility at the left side of your screen and then scroll down and you go with keyboard. So here you have there an option called on-screen keyboard. Just turn it on. And the moment turn it on, you would be able to open your on-screen keyboard. Just have to minimize this first, okay, so that you can focus on this on-screen keyboard. Now here at the start icon, you need to do a right click and go with run, okay, and you need to copy this, okay. So please copy this. It is C colon /Windows /System32 /CTFMON.exe. So you just have to copy this, okay? So let me just highlight it and then control C. Then we need to paste it here, hit the run window. Control V. Now it is being pasted. Let me just minimize this so that I can focus to the run window itself. So here, once you have typed it, it is C colon /Windows /System32 /CTFMON.exe. So just have to click on OK. And the moment you've click on it, you need to restart your computer. Okay? So once you have restarted it, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? So those are the steps on how to fix your keyboard not working after Windows update. If you think those steps help you to fix your problem, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.